Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to turn off comments in Facebook post. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm in my Facebook profile and I want to turn off comment for this post. So I'm clicking on this three dot and now click on who can comment on your post. If you select public, then anyone will be able to comment on your post, and if you select friends, then only friends can comment on your post. And if you select this last option, profiles and pages you mention, then no one will be able to comment on your post without you mention anyone profile or any pages. So select the last option and click on done. And I'm going to show you from my another profile. So here's right now I'm in my another Facebook profile and now I'm opening that profile. So here's the profile and here we can see the post, no option to post comment. So this was how we can turn off comments in Facebook post. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.